Larsa Pippen had some questions about cryptocurrency, so she took the risk and slid into Elon Musk's DMs. Elon Musk, 50, has proven he's a hot commodity recently after Larsa Pippen, 47, revealed that she slid into his DMs. On top of that, she claimed the Tesla founder is the only person she's made the first move on. She claimed she wanted to get his take on cryptocurrency while appearing on East Down in the DMs. "I slid into his DMs and I was like, hey, do I need to buy more Doge?" Larsa said. "I wanted a little bit of help in the digital currency market. I just sent it like a week ago, so maybe it's gonna take him a week or so to kind of go through his DMs." Elon may not have responded yet, but it seems that the Real Housewives of Miami star has plenty of options. "I feel like I get a lot of DMs from guys," she said. "I mean, you never know. You could meet Mr. Right on Instagram in your DMs. Plus, he may have his hands full now that he has a new baby to look after." His supposed ex Grimes just revealed that she and Elon had a baby via surrogate that was born in December 2021. The Canadian singer has given mixed messages about her relationship with Grimes. In an article that was published on Wednesday, March 10, Grimes called Elon her boyfriend even though the pair reportedly split in September 2021. "I would probably refer to him as my boyfriend, but we're very fluid. We live in separate houses. We're best friends. We see each other all the time. We just have our own thing going on, and I don't expect other people to understand it," she told Vanity Fair. Related gallery. Elon Musk, photos of the famous CEO. However, it seems things have changed even since that interview, as Grimes had to put a disclaimer out with the article. "Me and he have broken up again since the writing of this article, haha," she tweeted the day the article was published. "But he's my best friend and the love of my life, and my life and art are forever dedicated to the mission now." Since the first official announcement of their split in September, the tech CEO has been linked to 29-year-old actress Natasha Bennett. She was first known as the mystery woman who was spotted leaving Elon's private jet, but it seems like things have gotten much more serious since then. A source exclusively told Hollywood Life that the nature of their relationship was at first very casual, but she is now very much his girlfriend and the two have undeniable chemistry.